In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can view the history of your budget within Phocas budgeting and forecasting. I'm sure you've had many times where you've looked at a cell in a spreadsheet or a document or something like that and asked yourself who changed that figure, what was the previous figure, etc. Now, really quickly within Phocas, we can find that out. As you can see here, I've got a revenue budget for Australia for my retail and my online part of the business. I can see they're both complete. Maybe I want to have a look at who completed them, who entered in the figures for my budget for my retail division. So what I could do is I could go in here and I could right click on the letters DC there for David Chambers and select workflow history. Now what you can see is initially the budget was created, it was then assigned out to Billy, Billy then submitted that budget back to David, David accepted it, and then the budget was completed there. So nice and easy, we can see exactly what the process was to complete that budget line. If I want to see what the changes in the numbers were, I close that down and I just right click in one of the budget cells, and in this case select cell history. And what you'll now see is it was initially set to 1.18 million, it was updated by Billy to 1.33, and we were happy. If we look at the line underneath, what you can see here is I can right click, I can go to my cell history, and you'll see it had actually been changed by Billy twice. It's gone from 1.2 to 1.25 to 1.4 there. Let's have a look at the workflow in this case. Now what you can see is it was created, it was assigned to Billy, it was then sent back to David, David then rejected it, it was assigned back to Billy then, which then submitted it to David, etc., etc., and then the budget was eventually completed there. So you've got full workflow tracking about everything that happens against your budget within Phocas budgeting and forecasting. Thanks for watching.